Open house Sunday 8 to 32 p.m. to 4 p.m. You will love this charming, well-maintained home with great curb appeal, located in a quaint neighborhood in the Parchment School District. This 3-bedroom, 1-bath home was remodeled about 10 years ago, giving you peace of mind with a newer roof, air conditioner, furnace and ductwork, flooring, light fixtures and some new windows. The breezeway makes a great mudroom complete with a coat and shoe cabinet and leads you to the galley kitchen, which includes stainless steel appliances and a butcher block countertop next to the stove. The bright living room is spacious with plenty of room to relax and entertain. There is a full basement for storage or to add additional living space. The exterior features a great landscaped yard, a freshly graveled driveway and a huge fenced-in backyard. Being located in Cooper Township, you will enjoy a lower millage rate, making